Are you tired of worrying about your Namecheap account getting hacked? In 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to lock it down with two-factor authentication. No more crossing your fingers and hoping your password is strong enough. We are going to fix this for good. First, we will log into your account and head to the security settings. Then, I will walk you through enabling either an authentication app or a hardware key. It is simpler than you think, and I have tested every click of this process myself, so you can follow along with confidence. All right, let us start by navigating to Namecheap.com. Go ahead and log in with your usual credentials. Once you are in, we need to find the security settings. This is where things can get a little confusing, but do not worry, I will guide you right to it. So, you are logged in. Now look for the security section in your account dashboard. You will see an option for two-factor authentication. Click on the one labeled Two-Factor Authentication App, or TOTP. This is the recommended method, and for good reason. It is the most user-friendly way to add that second layer of protection. Now, inside that section, you will see a button that says Switch to Authentication App Now. Go ahead and click that. This tells Namecheap, yes, I want to use an app on my phone instead of relying on texts or emails. You will also notice an option for Device Authentication, or U2F. That is for hardware keys, like a YubiKey. If you have one of those, this is your path. But for most of us, the app method is the way to go. So click on Recommended to stick with the Authenticator app. Now, click Enable. You will see a highlight on the screen directing you to the next step. Follow that visual cue. It will ask you to enter your Namecheap password to confirm this is really you making the change. Type it in. If you suddenly decide you want to try the hardware key instead, now is your chance. Just click Cancel and go back. Otherwise, proceed. Now, click Enable again to activate the Authenticator app. A QR code will appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. Open your Authenticator app on your phone. If you do not have one, Google Authenticator or Authy work great. Scan the QR code with your phone. Once it scans, your app will show a 6-digit code. Type that code into the field on your computer screen. Hit Confirm, and just like that, two-factor authentication is active on your Namecheap account. But we are not done yet. The really important part is coming up. Namecheap will show you a set of backup codes. These are one-time use codes that let you into your account if you lose your phone. Save them somewhere safe. Not on your phone, not in an email. Write them down or store them in a password manager. In my experience, this is the step most people skip, and it is the one that saves you from getting locked out of your own account. And that is it. Your Namecheap account now has two-factor authentication protecting it. From a single password at risk of takeover to a secure account that blocks unauthorized access. You can breathe a little easier knowing your domains and account details are safe. Thanks for following along, and I will see you in the next one.